हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू जस्ट रिलैक्स। और इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे बेला विस्टा रिजॉर्ट महाबलेश्वर के बारे में। बेसिकली दिस रिजॉर्ट इज सिचुएटेड इन महाबलेश्वर एंड वी वेंट बाय रोड एंड इट टुक अस ऑलमोस्ट 8 hours to reach from Mumbai to this resort. And if I talk about the location of this resort, तो ये पंचगनी एंड महाबलेश्वर जो रोड है उसके ऊपर ही है एंड इट इज़ वेरी इजीली एक्सेसिबल। आपको बेसिकली उस रोड पे ही ये मिल जाएगा। वंस यू मूव इनसाइड द रिजॉर्ट एरिया, सो वहाँ पर सबसे पहले आपको पार्किंग एरिया दिखेगा। पार्किंग इज़ अवेलेबल। And once you park the car and you're going towards the reception area, so on the way you will see the entire Mahabaleshwar map, and this is a really helpful tip for visiting Mahabaleshwar. So from there you move forward to the reception area. So then we finished our check-in formalities and reception area के पास में ही आपको लाइब्रेरी भी मिलेगी। आपको उसके एक साइड पे इंडोर गेम्स भी मिलेंगी जहां पर आपको कैरम बोर्ड, चेस, लूडो, इवन पूल टेबल भी मिलेगा, जो कि हमने लेट इवनिंग एंजॉय किया था। बट दिस इज ऑल इन द सेम एरिया। एंड आफ्टर वी moved in and we went to our room. Now before I show you our rooms, let me just give you a complete detail of all the rooms that we have in Bella Vista Resort. So वहाँ पर जो rooms हैं उन्हें wings में divide किया गया है and let me give you the details of all the wings. So first we'll start with Red Stone Wing. Red Stone Wing basically यहाँ पर दो तरह के rooms हैं. One is front facing and one is बैक साइड फेसिंग। सो फ्रंट फेसिंग रूम से आपको बेसिकली लिंगमाला वैली का व्यू मिलता है एंड यहाँ पर बालकनीज अवेलेबल हैं, सो यू कैन जस्ट सिट इन द बालकनी, एंजॉय द लिंगमाला वैली व्यू एंड हैव ग्रेट फन। अब जो बैक साइड वाले फेसिंग के रूम्स हैं इसमें दे गिव यू अ टाउन साइड बंगलो व्यू विच इज़ अगेन ब्यूटिफुल एंड इसमें भी बालकनी अवेलेबल है आपको। सो द अदर wing that they have is forest wing. Now as the name suggests, यहाँ से forest view दिखता है एंड यहाँ पर भी बालकनी अवेलेबल हैं। एंड जो सेकेंड टाइप का रूम वहाँ पर है वो है डुप्लेक्स रूम एंड इस डुप्लेक्स रूम में देर आर नो बालकनीज। मूविंग ऑन, वहाँ पर जो थर्ड तरह का रूम है इट इज़ कॉल्ड ऑर्किड wing, and these rooms are basically surrounded by trees and there's a lot of greenery that you can enjoy from the room. हमारा रूम इसी wing में था and let me just give you a complete tour of our room now. As you can see guys, इस room में there are no balconies and from the windows you can actually get a beautiful tree top view. And the other good thing is यहाँ पर एक sofa कम bed भी है, so if you're coming with a small family that is really helpful. After that, let's talk about the last and the fourth type of room which is called apartment wing. इसको कुछ लोग villa भी कहते हैं। वहाँ पर basically it is a complete separate apartment where you get a 2-bedroom room out there and it is a completely independent feeling. You get a balcony, you get a living hall and it is beautiful. So this was all about the rooms. Now let's talk about what activities you get inside Bella Vista Resort. So first and my favorite is the swimming pool. It is beautiful as you get slides, you get a waterfall and there are many more things that you can do in the pool which is beautiful. and not to forget the mountain view that you can have from the pool area. Other than that, inside the resort you also get to enjoy table tennis. There is also a children playground, and in that children playground you get slides, you get swings, and that is amazing for entertaining kids, and of course you can also have fun in that area. Then let's talk about something really amazing जो कि आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, and they are the wooden railing pathways. It really gives a beautiful feel when you actually see them all around the resort. There is also a tunnel, and it actually adds great amount of value to your entertainment. Other than that, it is basically surrounded by greenery, it is basically surrounded by lots of trees, and in that area you also get a lot of sitting places, so you can just enjoy the view from there and basically have fun in the nature sitting in that green area. एक सिटिंग के लिए वहाँ पर स्पेशल स्पॉट बनाया गया है इन दैट ग्रीन एरिया, एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड बैठक, एंड यू कैन जस्ट enjoy greenery and nature in that particular area. Other than that, let me also give you some more exciting things that you can do there, and one of the very famous activity that you can do out there is karaoke, and this place is situated in the red stone wing ground floor, and you can go out there and basically वहाँ पर आपके songs के lyrics आपको सामने दिखेंगे, and the music is playing, and you can just simply go and read those lyrics and sing your favorite songs with the music, which gives an amazing experience. प्लस वहाँ पर ही आपको गेम्स को मिल जाएगा, एंड वहाँ पर ही आपको बैडमिंटन अगर आपने खेलना है तो आपको उसके रैकेट्स भी मिल जाएंगे. देयर इज़ अ लॉन आउटसाइड वेयर यू कैन हैव ग्रेट फन by checking out the beautiful view, and there is also a place for outdoor games. They also have a rooftop spa, and if you are a gym freak, then they also have a rooftop gym. And just to add some more things to it, the rooftop area has an amazing view, and that is really beautiful. You can just spend some time just enjoying the view from the rooftop area only. Now let's talk about the restaurant inside Bella Vista Resort, and this restaurant is situated in the red stone wing ground floor area. In this restaurant there are two types of sitting, one is indoor, one is outdoor, and you get to enjoy variety of food. The food quality is really good. And at the dinner time you also have live music, which really adds great taste to the food as well. Also there is a forest cafe, and this is famous for pizzas and other snacks, so if you are a pizza freak, then go check out the forest cafe. There is also a sun deck where you can enjoy the beautiful sunset view. And not to forget the drum circle. This is a fun activity where you actually try and meet your drum beats with the experts out there, and this is really good fun, and this happens in the evening, so don't miss out on the drum circle activity. Other than that, there is a meeting room there where you can conduct some meetings, and in Bella Vista Resort there is also a smoking zone area. Now let's talk about the night view. It is beautiful, and especially the tunnel looks beautiful in the night. The overall view of this night view is fantastic. You must definitely check it out once you go out there and have fun in the night view. So that was all about Bella Vista Resort. Now let me just tell you some of the good things and the bad things that I found in that resort and kind of the overall summary of Bella Vista Resort. So if I talk about the greenery, it is beautiful. If I talk about the nature, the birds chirping around the nature, it is really amazing. If I talk about the valley view, it is beautiful. If I talk about the pool, it is absolutely fantastic. Food, yes, really good. Spa, it's like 7 out of 10. Okay, that's my personal view. Gym is as usual okay. And then if I talk about whether you should really try this out, then I would say that it is really value for money. It is a perfect place, I must say, to spend time and relax in Mahabaleshwar. And if that is one single line that defines Bella Vista, then yes, that is that one single line that defines Bella Vista. But there's only one downside that I find out there, and which is a small downside, but it's there, that there are no lifts here. So if you have any issues climbing up the stairs, then must have that discussed with the team out there, so they can allocate you rooms on the ground floor. But other than that, I think it is a perfect place for you to go and have fun and relax in Mahabaleshwar. Let me know which part of Bella Vista did you find great in this video. Just leave a comment. Now before we leave, I have a request. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you have any queries, please leave a comment and we will definitely help you out with the best of our knowledge. And with that said, that's it for this video. We will see you very soon.